Welcome to our physics varied assessment. Today we'll be covering on the topic of collisions. Firstly, let us begin with elastic collisions. A collision between two objects is considered to be elastic if the total kinetic energy of the system is conserved before and after the collision has taken place. Note that during the process of collision, the total kinetic energy of the system is never conserved. Instead, it is converted into potential energy associated with the nature of interaction between the two objects. In addition, total energy of the whole system is conserved, since the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy adds up to the total energy. Let us now view an example of an elastic collision. Let us now take a closer look at the elastic collision. As you can see, the white ball and the orange ball are adjacent to each other. As the white ball collides with the orange ball, kinetic energy is transferred from the white ball to the orange ball. The white ball comes to a stop while the orange ball moves off. This is an example of an elastic collision.
Now, let us talk about perfectly inelastic collision. A collision between two objects is considered to be inelastic if the total kinetic energy of the system before and after the collision is not conserved. Total energy of the system is still conserved, since the kinetic energy that is lost is actually converted into heat, sound, or light energy. The amount of kinetic energy lost is dependent on the material of the two objects. In a perfectly inelastic collision, the two objects stick together or coalesce after colliding. Now, let us look at an example of inelastic collision. Now, let's take a closer look at the video to better understand inelastic collision. As you can see, both the red ball and the white ball are adjacent. When the white ball collides with the red ball, both balls coalesce and travels into the hole. This shows a concept of inelastic collision, where the white ball does not pass all its kinetic energy onto the red ball. Therefore, both balls travels into the hole. Thank you for your time. We hope you have learned more about elastic and inelastic collision.